I just had to let you know you're.
Hello, good afternoon. This is the warehouse department of Quick Buy online store.
Yes, good afternoon. This is Shafiq speaking. How may I assist you?
Yes. My name is Azim. I received my order this morning, but there are several problems with it.
I'm sorry to hear that, sir. May I have your order numbers?
Yes. It's QB4 5821.
Alright, let me check. Yes, I see your order here. You order a black jacket size L. What seems to be the problems?
Yes. First, I was charged RM 189 ringgit, but the website clearly state RM 149 during the promotion. Second, I received a white jacket instead of black, and honestly, I'm very disappointed.
Are you sure, sir? According to the system, everything was packed correctly.
Yes, I'm sure. I have the receipt and I even took a photo of the item. It's clearly the wrong color.
Maybe you select the wrong option during checkout.
No, I double checked before payment. Please don't assume it's my mistake.
Well, mistake rarely happen in our warehouse.
Are you saying I'm lying?
No, sir. I'm just saying our process is usually accurate.
Look, I just want a proper explanation and solution. I pay extra and received the wrong item.
Alright, sir. I think I need to refer this issue to our operation manager.
Hello, this is Adam, the operation manager. I was informed about your issue, Mr. Azim. First of all, I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience.
Thank you. I hope you can explain what happened.
Let me review your order details. Yes, I can see the promotional price was 159 ringgit Malaysia. It seems there was a system error during checkout that changed the normal price.
So, it wasn't my mistake?
No, sir, it appears to be our technical issue. We truly apologize for that.
Okay. And what about the raw item?
I will check with our warehouse packing record. It seems there was a labeling mistake during packing. The barcode was correct, but the color variant was wrongly picked.
This is very frustrating. I need that jacket for an event tomorrow.
I completely understand your frustration, sir. Here what we can do. We will refund the extra 50 ringgit Malaysia immediately. We will arrange express delivery for the correct black jacket today. You may keep the white jacket temporarily until our courier collect it.
How long will the refund take?
The refund will be processed within 24 hours. You should receive it within 3 to 5 working days depending on your bank.
And delivery?
You will receive the correct item by tomorrow morning. Shafiq, can you explain how this happened?
Sir, during packaging we were rushing because of high order volume. I think the staff scanned the correct barcode but picked the wrong color from the shelf.
That shows we need strict quality checking. Did you verify the item before selling?
Honestly, sir, we skipped the second checking process because we were short of staff.
That is not acceptable. Customer satisfaction is our priority. One mistake can damage our company reputation.
I understand, sir. I apologize.
starting today, I want double verification for promotional item and strict checking before shipment. Also, please improve your tone when speaking to customer.
Yes, sir. I will be more careful and professional next time.
Mr. Azim, thank you for your patience. Your refund has been processed and express shipment has been arranged. You will receive a tracking number shortly.
Thank you for handling this professionally. I appreciate the quick solution.
We truly value you as our customer. As compensation, we would also like to offer you a RM20 ringgit Malaysia voucher for your net purchase.
That's very kind. I hope this won't happen again.
We will make sure to improve our system and warehouse checking process.
Alright. Thank you for your help.
Thank you for choosing Quick Buy. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
I just had to let you know you're